Aki men, guys, women. What? Okay. Ndigukenda kwigosha kana gukiuga haria tumite. No, like, I'm really proud of you. I'm really proud of where you have come from. Na rege gukurora uguo ri. Saa zingine, I look at you and I look at my son, Ryan. And I'm like, I have seen this man grow from whoever he was to the person he is today. I can tell you guys, tukishamanira mwanake onakwa agirige fao. Donaga, you get. Reure. Tuambiririe from mbali sana, and that is why I appreciate where you are today. Not to praise myself. Okay. Ilikuwa script. But I remember the twasemani oguo areka content tukiuga tuikaranie ni anjerete atirire ngithie gwake ria mbere. Men can lie. Tugithie gwake ria mbere ri ndiukana gethaga clickbait. Akinjira ati nie kaire tureke ngwire gwakwa nyumba yakwa ihana studio. Ngoragwo na studio gwakwa nyumba. Riu niguo ndetikirire ngigithie gukiona studio no. Ndathie ndakorire mwanake akomagira gatanda kana kanjera-ini citu na kamutungi. Alafu ari na ka desktop hau haria kagira voice overs. You remember? Dina mbere kana ndige. Ginye hau. Sawa, kireke ndege kinye hau, but it has been a journey. Ngimwenda na kuhana oro uguo na ru muthenya wa umuthi ngirora ri ndirona Muhia uria wokaga kanjira babe sina camera ukona nini uniongezeni by you get. God has taken you this far and it is by his grace. One thing I would like to tell you is that never forget where you have come from. Never forget your parents. Never forget all these people who are here for you. Tondu kindu ndi very sure ni ati this is not like ata hizi congratulations bado. This is just the start. Ni waririkana twina guku Faraday na ihungu nyithaire ka kamera uguo handu rugirine you get itakuhota nginya guikara thi wina gathimu utari nginya study. But I believed in you. I know you have this big potential. Na kindu ngwendeire ni ati we hujituma na unajiaminia. You are this person who wakes up every day and you're like, I am the best. I can do this. I will do this. It does not matter what the world says, but I know I am what I am. What I want to tell you today is Ngai ucio wa kurutire hau kamutungi iguru no gukinyetie haha na no gugutwara level wengi, right? Arotura ngwenda kwira ate arotura gutwaraga level neri engi, and I can say that I am proud to see you grow. And I can see you have not even grown, you guys. This guy has so much potential. And I know, Togyoka next year but one, he will not be where he is. He will be an inspiration to even more people because you are an inspiration to me. Tony hede hakinyete ngitigana na content. Muhia thite gwakira mutumia nyumba. Andu magoka makahenania ni aria mbeca. Na sifa ngine yakwa. Ndiramwirire Muhia reke nguigire mbeca ici. Na akirwo ni aria na gwituika ni ngiuga content staki.